Hi everyone, it is super hot day today, but I wanted to do this outside because it's just so nice and this is one of the first nice days we've had. So I just wanted to show you, I just got an artificial flower hanging basket and I just wanted to show you exactly what it looked like. I just opened the box and didn't touch anything. So this is everything that comes in the box. And the reason why I got some more of these is, I don't know if you could see that behind me, but that is actually a different brand of one of these types of planters that I just put in there. And I have another one on the other side of my patio. So I want more for my front yard because they're just so easy to take care of. So it comes with the hook and the planter that it sits in. And then if you could see here, it comes with this sphere-shaped or half circle styrofoam. And then this is the inside of the fake greenery. So you could place your flowers around those. So first you just take this and place it in the basket. And it came with 4 of these packs. So hopefully they'll be full enough. Probably just need to bend them a little bit. And I really liked this color. I wanted something bright for the front of my yard. And then I want to show you a close-up of the flowers. Really pretty. So it might take a bit for them to unfold from the box. I'm poking it into the styrofoam. And then if I don't like it, you could always redo it. I have no idea right now how these are going to look. It's kind of like artwork. You just keep adjusting it and do it. There's no specific way. You just do it how you like it. And this is going in your house or outside of your house. So it's whatever you think looks the best. So I'll probably put the other 2 over here. I probably will even them out even better. I like separating them so they look fuller, and I really love this color. And I just love how easy and fast and simple this is. I have one other hanging one that I actually left. It's not this brand, but I left outside all winter and it's still fine. So, and then you just have to play around with how thick you want them. I like how that looks. Made them nice and even. And then you just need to get the metal part around the flowers. And this is stuff. There we go. So actually it might be easier without that in there, but you want it to hang like this. So let me see if I can get this in here. And I'm happy with that. So I just want to see what it's going to look like if I replaced this one with this one. And I think that actually looks really gorgeous. I actually really like this color. And then of course you could hang these as well. And it looks like some of them have just green on the inside. Some have green and yellow. And then they're pink and purple flowers.